Welcome in once again to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecast of the markets. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. You should see the button around here. Click on it. Click on the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press content. Moving on to the content for today, we have the Ethereum Fear and Greed Index at 67. Wow, the greed is here. Ethereum pierced through that 2K, pivotal level a couple of days ago, about a week ago, and it's crazy, just all the bullishness into the markets, consolidating above that key $2,000 rounded number mark. But today it went below for a little bit. We're gonna definitely dig into the charts coming out really soon. We're gonna review those, but all in all, hey, greed in the market, things are getting bullish, things are heating up, so we'll definitely look into the charts in a bit. But before we do, let's analyze the altcoin market. A lot of these altcoins have been popping off as of late, so we want to make sure that we cover those, guys. Hey, Ethereum at $1,982, up 3.59% in the last 7 days. Number 2, BNB at $327, up 2.46%. Number 3, XRP the scam at 49 cents, just a hair under that 50-cent 2-quarter mark, down 1.11 cents. Number 4, Cardano at 42 cents, up 5.10%, basically 5%. And then Dogecoin, the dog coin, basically at 9 pennies, up 10%, guys, in the last week. Not bad. A lot of movements, a little bit of volatility into the market. But look at the top 5 best performers in the last week, up 30%. We have Arbitrum at $1.55. Wow, 30%. That's crazy. Number 2, OKB at $53, up 27%. Number 3, Injective. That sounds like an injection right there. $8.48, up 25%. Insanity. Number 4, Casper at 5, basically at a nickel, up 26%. And then you have Render Token, at 2 billies, basically up 21, almost 22%. Then we have the top 5 worst performers in the in the last week. We have to start with cornflakes, guys. We gotta start with cornflakes. It never gets old. 32 cents, 32 pennies, down 16%. Number 2, Stacks at 78 cents, down basically 14%. Number 3, Quantify Your Life at $112, down 8.5%. And then you have Ethereum Classic, the OG, at 20 billies, down 8.44%. And then number 5, EOS at $1.12, down almost 8%. Guys, don't forget, like we said, subscribe. Why, Jay? Well, you're gonna get a free educational playlist. Link is in the description down below. You just click there, get a pen, pencil, piece of paper, and there's presentations, guys, educational presentations in these videos for free. A lot of hard work went into these to make sure that you guys can start educating yourself through crypto for free. Guys, what is this? What is going on? What is going on? What is this chart? What a candle, guys. We were at $2,100 down to 19, basically 9. That's like $150 move towards the downside in less than 24 hours. Straight insanity to retest the top part of this previous ascending channel right now as we speak. We do see a little bit of a buy wick there, but wow, what a candle. What a candle. I mean, what really matters is that we were consolidating up here, and above the $2,000 resistance, previous support while it was up here, and that was very bullish. It was, these couple of days, but right now with this candle, we fall back down below the $2,000 mark, and who knows, we might even reclaim the previous ascending channel. That's a possibility. So we'll definitely keep you guys informed. The RSI is, wow, look at that, bit dumping down hard. So you see that there, back below under the 70 level. You do see the stochastic as well, clear downturn here, losing momentum. Ethereum under the 80 level. Yeah, wow, it's strong, guys. Strong move today. I'm gonna be looking forward to how it closes today. If we hold this top part of the ascending channel, if we reclaim it, if we close above the now resistance level, a lot of things going on for Ethereum. So we're definitely gonna be here to keep you guys informed along the way. And look, same deal with the altcoin market cap. In our last episode, we were talking about how we were ranging inside this triangle pattern here, this wedge, as well as the resistance of $616 billion. Wow, a lot of resistance for the past couple of months. And we actually finally pierced through, guys. And right now with this candle, we're testing it as support as we speak. This could be really, really bullish for altcoins, really bullish. You know what I mean? Because what we could have is this, where we, you know, retested that support for the next couple of days, and then we pop up to the $700 billion, you know, key next resistance level, you know, but key pivotal candle today. And then the next couple of days with the confirmation candles to see if we do hold this previous key resistance as now key support. If not, we fall back down into the wedge formation. This was a fake out, and back under the, you know, now support would turn into resistance. So we're going to keep you guys informed. Man, the market's right now just making pivotal moves. This altcoin market doesn't play around. Then we have the DXY, the Dixie, the dollar index, basically could be seen as a possible double bottom, where you had a bottom here, you have a second bottom, and you know, you continue on as you know, start of a new uptrend once again. That's a possibility. Or again, we can, you know, come retest it, the lows again, pop up a little bit, play around in this, you know, descending channel, boom, and that's it, you know. So man, who knows, right? The next couple of days are going to be key. We're going to definitely keep you guys informed with our episodes, and yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. We'll definitely keep you guys informed. A little bit of a push up here with the DXY. But man, the markets have been volatile. They've been making moves, you know, exciting times in crypto. Guys, if you enjoy the content, don't forget we have our website, link in the description down below. Just great investment tools and resources for you guys. Guys, thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention, and hope you guys have a good one.